Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to do the Shopify image optimization. Let's get started. So it actually applies on all the images that you have added to your Shopify theme. It also includes the product images that you have. So for example, let's head over in here on our products. And then from in here, let's click on the specific product that has an image. So as you can see right here, this will load our product page. And we have here the media. So you can click on this edit right here in order to optimize the specific image. Now click on that, and as you can see, you have here this pixel that is actually not ideal because this is too big, and as you can see earlier, it takes a while to load that page. That's because the image is too big. Now what you can do is you can click on this third icon right here, which is the resize icon, and then let's say something right here like, for example, 1200 pixels, just like this. And as you can see, it will also lock the aspect ratio. Now from in there, click on done right here in order to save your progress, and once it's been saved, you should be good to go. Now as you can see right here, it will take some time to load for this specific thing to actually resize to our pixel that we have inputted. So you can just close that up, and then you can save this progress through the save button that should be added right here. Another thing that you can do is you can open a new tab and then search in here for apps at shopify.com. And on this new page that will be headed, you can search in here for image optimization. So you can search for it right here. So click on this one, and as you can see, there's a lot of apps that actually helps you with this specific thing. So for example, you can choose this tiny SEO image since this one is actually built for Shopify. So you can click on that right here and then install that to your store. Now click on this install button, and then this will open an actual page wherein it will ask you for access in order to successfully install this specific application. So for this one, let's just head over and click on the install button, and it will install itself. So this is the dashboard of that application. Click over to this convert to JPG because this can reduce the image size by up to 18%. So click on that, and you can also optimize the image alt text. Now click on save changes once you're done. You can also update the file name and also resize oversized images. So as you can see, Shopify recommends 2048 pixels, but Tiny Image actually recommends 1200 pixels, which is what we have added earlier. So let's choose this one. Click on the save changes right here. And then once you have done that, you just need to change or choose a plan right here that you want to use. You can actually add an enterprise or beginner, advanced, and yearly. And once you have chosen a trial or a plan, you can actually implement it all on your actual website. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.